Have you ever wondered why your computer feels slower than it used to in the past? Before you spend money on a new one, you might be making some mistakes that are actually slowing it down. Let's look at 5 common computer mistakes and how to fix them. The first mistake is having too many programs start automatically when you turn on your computer. Many applications secretly add themselves to the startup list. This means they launch in the background every time your computer starts, using memory and processing power. The result is a slower startup and reduced performance. Take a few minutes to disable programs that you don't need running automatically. The second mistake is allowing your storage to become almost full. Computers need free space to operate efficiently. When your drive is nearly full, performance can suffer. Delete files you no longer need. Empty your recycle bin and move large files to an external drive or cloud storage. The third mistake is ignoring software updates. Many people postpone updates because they seem inconvenient. However, updates often contain performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches. So, keeping your operating system and applications updated can help your computer run smoothly and safely. The fourth mistake is installing too many unnecessary programs. Over time, computers become cluttered with software that is rarely or never used. These programs can consume storage space and sometimes run background processes. Periodically review your installed programs and remove those you no longer need. The fifth mistake is never restarting your computer. Some people leave their computers running for days or even weeks. A simple restart can clear temporary files, refresh system resources, and solve minor performance issues. If your computer feels sluggish, a restart is often the quickest fix. The good news is that you don't need to be a computer expert to solve these problems. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, you can often make your computer faster, more responsive, and enjoyable to use. So, which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more videos from the IT Academy.